In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request removal of the minimum order amount through customer chat. If you've ever tried to check out and hit a minimum order limit you don't need, this quick process will show you how to reach support and ask for it to be removed in the simplest way possible. Start by opening the platform where you're placing the order. Look for the support option, which is typically visible in the main menu, footer, or as a small help or chat icon near the bottom corner of the screen. Give that a click to open the help panel. This brings you into the space where you can contact the team directly. From there, choose customer chat. This is the live chat area that connects you with a representative or a smart assistant that can route your request. Depending on the time of day, you might see a short queue message or a greeting. That's normal and just means your message will be processed in order. In the chat text box, type the exact request. Remove the minimum order amount. Keeping it short and clear helps the system recognize what you need and ensures the agent immediately understands your goal. If you prefer, you can include polite context in your own words, but the key phrase "remove the minimum order amount" is what matters most here. Press enter to send the message. You should see your request appear in the conversation thread right away. If the chat uses automated prompts, don't worry, your message is still recorded and it can either be resolved automatically or directed to a human agent who will take it from there. Now wait for the response, leave the chat window open, and avoid refreshing the page so you don't lose your place in the queue. Response times vary, but you'll typically get an initial acknowledgement followed by an update on whether the minimum order amount can be removed for your account or order. If a message indicates limited hours, just keep the window accessible or check back when the team is online. You may also hear a notification sound when they reply, so keep your volume on if you're multitasking. That's all there is to it. Click on support, open customer chat, type remove the minimum order amount, press enter, and wait for their reply. Once they respond, you'll know the next steps based on their policy, and you can proceed confidently with your order. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your order moving.